To make Depop a full-time job, you need to start by setting clear goals and understanding the platform. Depop is a social marketplace where you can buy and sell a wide range of items. From clothing and accessories to electronics and art. Identify your niche and target audience to create a focused strategy. First, create a professional profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and contact information. Ensure your profile is complete, consistent, and reflects your brand. Take high-quality photos of your items and write detailed descriptions, including prices, sizes, and conditions. Develop a content strategy by posting regularly and using relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Utilize Depop's features such as polls, quizzes, and stories to interact with your audience and build a community. To source products, consider thrift stores, garage sales, and wholesale markets. You can also create your own products, such as handmade jewelry or artwork. Research your competition and price your items competitively. Provide excellent customer service by responding to inquiries, resolving issues promptly, and shipping items quickly. Utilize Depop's shipping labels and packaging materials to streamline your process. To scale your business, consider investing in a photography studio, hiring a team, or outsourcing tasks such as packaging and shipping. Monitor your analytics to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Finally, stay up to date with Depop's policies and guidelines, and continually adapt to changes in the market and consumer trends. By following these steps and staying committed, you can turn your Depop shop into a successful full-time business.